get
Yeah.
that.
Okay, so now I will try it with my sentences.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I just lost it. I can't even do the hello to start. Hello?
Great. So I'll start speaking in an Irish accent just so that you've got something to play with, because that's the problem, isn't it? Like if you've got nothing to hear, then you're not with the program, are you? So you've got to think, what the hell am I talking about? Yeah. So like, just yes.
That's very helpful, actually. So I can start with hello. It's very nice to meet you. My name is Amy. I'm from the States in Washington. See, I don't know how to do Washington. In Washington, that's the one below Canada, but above California. My family is from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people. Whereabouts are you from? I actually run escape rooms and get to travel all over the world to play them. I get to travel all over and play them all over the world.
Nice. Nice. Okay, so we'll start at the beginning, and we will go through it. So you've got the chat box, so we'll use that to help us get the sounds right. Right, so I've got to get into my Irish accent now. So hello. It's nice to meet you. So when you go for it's nice to meet you, it's nice to meet you, it's nice to meet you. With depending on how strong the accent is, and depending on how I should carry on with my Irish accent, depending on how strong you want to make the accent, like with things like nice, it's with the northern sound to it, it can be really harsh, but you're wanting to twist it down for a southern Irish accent. So it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. So if we were to write the word nice, it's nice. How I hear it as nice. Nice, that's perfect. Exactly like that. Nice. Hello, it's nice to meet you.
And it's kind of a longer hello.
Yeah, hello.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice. That's really good. Yeah, I like that. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Meet you. I think you'd go for more like a yeah. Yeah, it's nice to meet you. Now, right, so in Ireland, all right. It's nice.
All right.
To meet. Right. All right. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, I like that. All right. Right. All right. If you were to write the word all right, how would you write it with your, thinking about how it sounds? All right.
How I think it sounds in American?
Yeah, so if you hear me saying it and then you write it how it sounds. So all right. Okay. All right. It's nice to meet you. Just all right.
All right.
Oh, all right. Yes. That way. All right. Yeah, that's good. Right. Yeah. That sounds perfect. Yeah. All right. It's nice to meet you. My name is Amy. My name is Amy.
My name is Amy.
So let's write that out. My name is Amy. My name is My name is Amy.
Yes.
All right. It's nice to meet you. My
name is Amy.
Nice, right? Washington. How would you write it if you hearing it from me? Washington. Washington. Say it again for me. Washington.
Or how I say it, Washington.
No, with the Irish accent, Washington. Yeah, that's okay. That's good.
Washington.
So, my name is Amy, and I'm from the States in Washington. Also, Washington. I think you need to have we'll do a din on the end. Washington. Right, Washington. Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Washington.
That one. That's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah, that's the
one. Like one.
Yeah.
And are we a little bit more with the T sound a little D? That's the one.
That's the one. I think that I think there's like a TH but a D. That.
That.
So if
That's
I
the
come
one.
close up, that.
That.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. The. So it's like a duh, but you're starting at the TH.
That's the one.
That exactly like that. Exactly
That's the
like
one.
that's the one.
It's not as harsh as the D because it melds the two.
That's the one, but it's like you're starting in the position of that's, but you're going that's. Yeah.
That's the one.
That's the one. They're perfect.
That's the one.
That's the one. That's right.
That's the one.
That's the one below Canada and above California. That's the one below.
That's the one below.
Nice. Canada and above California.
That's the one below Canada. That's the one below Canada and above California.
Nice. Above California.
Well, yours sounded better, so hold on. My family is from Ireland.
From Ireland.
Ireland.
My family's from Ireland. My family's
from Ireland or
Ireland. You could go
Ireland. Ireland.
Ireland. I like it. I think it sounds good. I think it sounds Ireland.
I like being. I think I feel pretty good about California and Ireland. I like the places. I can feel, but Washington sucks. I can't say Washington in the right way, but we're getting there. I just don't know how they would say it. I've never had a person tell us. Washington in Irish. Washington.
It's like Canada, California, Washington. So it's like the first part has got the heavy, the inference to it. So Washington. It's Washington, Canada, California, Ireland.
Love it.
My family's from Ireland.
My family's from Ireland.
And I love traveling.
Is it love?
Love.
I mean,
love.
Lesser love, but with more of a less and more.
You can do my job. That's hilarious. That's what I sound like. I just teach you. I'm just like, that's exactly what I do. I exactly speak like that. My family's from Ireland.
My family's from Ireland.
And I love. That's right. We were on the word.
I love.
Yeah, that's perfect. I love the way that sounds. The way that you said that, write that how that sounds.
Love.
Okay, love. And I love. What do I love? And
traveling.
I love traveling. And I love traveling. And meeting new people. No. People.
Meeting.
And mating new. Mating new people. Mating new people.
Say people again.
People.
This is helpful.
This is the thing, is that it's really about working out how those sounds go and then trying to get them out of your face the way that they're supposed to come out. And so playing around with words is just the easiest, because you see, you and I both don't have time. I can't teach you the international phonetic alphabet. I'm actually doing a course to learn that soon. I've just never bothered because I have an hour or 5 hours with somebody, and
right.
I can't teach them everything. So you've just got to work as quickly as possible. Right. So I came up with this, and I called it the Valentine method because it's my name. And I just thought, well, rather, it's easy, and I'll just call it that. And then people will learn it and we'll just work our way through it. So it works for me. Right. So let me go back. So my family's from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people. Let's have a listen.
Okay, here we go. My family's from Ireland. Well, I don't even know what my sentence was, so let me get back up there. My family's from Ireland. and I love traveling and meeting new people.
Right, I'm going to bring it down to the bottom so that you've got it at the bottom.
Oh, that's helpful.
Yeah. My family is
Well
from
done.
Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people.
My family's from Ireland. My family's from Ireland, and I love traveling and meeting new people.
I like that. Yeah, people. Yeah.
Okay.
And meeting new people.
And
right.
meeting new people.
Whereabouts are you from? So like you'd put an S on the end of that word.
Right.
So whereabouts are you from? Whereabouts you from? Whereabouts? Whereabouts
Whereabouts are you from?
Nice. Look at you.
Typing it out, real helps. I run escape rooms.
Escape. So
Escape.
with you've got the escape and then it's up. Escape.
Escape.
That's it. Exactly that one.
Escape.
Escape. Escape.
Escape.
That's nice. I like that. That sounds good. Escape. Yeah, okay, that works. I run escape rooms.
I feel like rooms with a light H. Rooms.
That'll work for me. Yep. Whereabouts are you from? I run escape rooms. And get. So it would be just a little bit more of a sound in there. So get. Oh yeah. That's great. I love that. That's perfect. Yeah. I like that. And get to travel.
And is it a little bit more like
travel?
Like
and get to travel. You could do to travel. Yeah. And
travel.
get to travel. You could do it to travel. Yeah. And get
to travel.
And get to travel.
And get to travel.
Go back to your get that you wrote down here. The
get.
Yeah, that one.
Get.
And get to travel.
All over. Travel. All over.
Oh, lovely.
All over.
All over. And
all
play.
over.
And play.
And play.
Yeah, nice. And play. Them. So these E words are like get and them. Play. Yeah.
Play them.
Them. Yeah, them. That chunk of like you've learnt it really, really quickly, and you're very quick study. Like in terms of getting Valentine method and writing it out, really, really excellent.